Good afternoon, everybody. Colin here with AppleReviews.com. Today is September 9th, 2015, the day of the Apple event, and they have just released one of the greatest products, in my opinion, the iPad Pro. So, there are no images on the Apple website at the time of this recording yet. The event is still going on. They're on the iPhone right now. They've released a new Apple TV, which I'll get into a little bit later in a separate video. But this is the iPad Pro, the recap of what the iPad Pro is. It is 12.9 inches. If I pay attention to what I'm typing, that might help. 10-hour battery life. It comes with a desktop class processor. It has a optional Apple Pencil for drawing and interacting with apps. That's going to be $99. Then they announced the smart keyboard, which will be $169. That is also optional. It connects magnetically to the iPad, just like the smart cover. It acts the same as the smart cover, but it has a keyboard on it. It has a bunch of new features. It does not have the 3D touch like the iPhone does. They just announced that a couple minutes ago. So you can interact with your iPhone in a whole new way. It has 32 and 128 gigabytes of flash storage, which it starts at $799 for the 32 gigabyte model. There's three options: 32 gigabyte, 128 gigabyte, and 128 gigabyte with LTE data, so you can use it with your carrier. The carriers they support, Verizon and stuff like that. It has double the speeds for the flash storage read and write opposed to other iPads. It is great for artists and drawing and creating artwork, like you would on the iPad Air 2, but this one has the Apple Pencil, so you can do all that. It has 4 speakers that change the sound output based on the way you hold it, so you get the best sound quality no matter which way you're holding the device. And it comes in the same colors as the current generation of iPad Air 2s, Space Gray, the Gold, and the Silver. It has Touch ID, and the Apple Pencil charges via the Lightning port. It has a Lightning connector on the pencil, so you just plug it into your iPad like you would your Lightning cable, and that is how that charges. So that is the iPad Air 2, starting at just $799. Not a bad price considering the size and considering all the advancements that it has and all the features that it has. And it weighs like 0.04, 0.06 ounces more than the first generation iPad, but once again you have to consider the size. It is much bigger, and I'm currently still watching the event. They're releasing a bunch of new features for the iPhone 6s and 6s Plus, so I'm going to go ahead and finish that event. Stay tuned, don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and within the next couple of days I will be releasing videos on other products, Apple TV, and the iPhone, as well as iOS 9 and Mac OS X El Capitan. This has been Colin with iPadReviews.com, iPad Pro Recap. Have a great day.